And I got to tell you, this issue is going to be the framing issue of the 2020 election. It's about the existential threat of China. It's about what happened on this pandemic. It's about what they did, what reparations are going to be, how we're going to hold them accountable, and how we're going to stop the elites in this country from basically supporting and financing a totalitarian dictatorship that does nothing but wreak havoc on its own people. Remember, the biggest victims here are not even the American people. The biggest victims here are the poor people in China. Right. Of the 1.4 billion Chinese, there are only 90 million communists. And of the communists, there's only a couple thousand that matter. Remember, the 8 families that went on the Long March still control today the Chinese Communist Party. They are wealthier than the royal family in Saudi Arabia. This is the wealthiest group of people in the world. They've stolen so much money from China and the United States and put it back into assets and real estate everywhere. We need to strip them of their assets. We need to make them paupers. We need to take hot economic war to the leadership of the Chinese Communist Party.
Wow. I was going to ask you if you believed Peter Schweitzer in the book Secret Empires, but I think you already answered that. Yeah, there's been a buyout of our elites here by the money from China. Next question, though, tied to that.
I was actually head of government accountability when we did Clinton Cash and when we started. I went to the White House before but Secret Empires was started on my watch as chairman when Peter came to the idea. That book did not get the publicity at Clinton Cash. That book is a must read because what Peter Schweitzer did is took the political class and looked at foreign money, Democrats and Republicans. He looked at foreign money that's in Washington, D.C. It will make you sick to your stomach, and you need to be made sick to your stomach. You have to understand that foreign money floods this capital, and the foreign money works against your interest as an American citizen. As an American citizen, you should get a special deal. Well, you don't get any deal. In fact, your taxes and your young sons and daughters throughout the world in the military, whether in the 38th parallel up in Korea or in ships in the South China Sea or on patrol tonight in Afghanistan in the Hindu Kush, it's your kids and your money that keeps this system going. You are being lied to and stolen from every day.
No, there's no question.